Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to the garden. Today I'm going to be talking about something very specific in the garden. Yes, I'm going to be talking to you about the compost bin, into which go our peelings from the kitchen and also the cuttings, etc. from the garden. And out of the bottom comes compost that we can use on the garden to replenish some of the goodness, ready for the next lot of vegetables. So come along with me and see how it happens. There are lots of different types of composters on the market. Probably the most common are the wooden ones with slats, so that it gets aerated as the items go in there. But things can get much more complicated if you decide to have different types of bins for different types of compost. And of course you have the standard one where you can just layer it one layer at a time. I've included a compost recipe that may give you some ideas. If you want to have a closer look, just pause the video. I thought I'd just show you the type of things that we put into our kitchen caddy on a regular basis, and this is the scraps of the vegetables. We've got a fair mixture here because we've had quite a lot of nice veg this week, some of which came out of the garden. So we've got a mixture of potatoes and swede peelings. There's some carrots there, the Brussels sprouts that we've had, the extra bits are there where we peeled those, and some leeks even. And we also have let's have a look, a couple of tea bags there. Now they are in paper tea bags and are completely recyclable, as is the coffee grounds there. Again, that's a paper container on that. So there we go. That's what we got so far, which will go into the compost bin. There's the compost bin at the moment, and we're just going to tip the rest of this in. Down, even it out, and the lid goes back on. Another favourite tool is my garden shredder. As you can see, I've got this one out so that some of the bigger twigs from the shrubs can be popped through there. The shreds, thank you, Dax. The shreds come out at the box, into the box, and the shreds come out and into the box, and then they go from there into the compost bin. And there you go, that's my work done with the shredding, and it will go in on top of the compost. Not all of it is completely broken down, but it'll go in on top of there. It'll act as brown waste. So every year, of course, we get the grass cuttings to be taken and put somewhere. So we put it in the compost bin, and that goes along with all the rest of the items that we put in there throughout the year. Then, of course, once the year's over, we can get to the really exciting bit of digging it out at the bottom. It's not an easy job, but we only do it once a year. From there, we take it over to the patches of garden that we want to use it on. As you can see, it easily comes out of the bucket onto the ground and is gently forked in. That way, any frost or rain that comes in between whiles will help take the nutrients down into the ground. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.